These guys just came in the mail today, which is pretty exciting. They come in that classic Yeezy pull to open and close box. I really liked the colorway of this model. To me, they're incredibly visually interesting. I like how the black sort of anchors everything, but you do have the print up front, the neoprene on the back. There's a lot going on. The tongue is sewn into the shoe, so you don't have to worry about it moving around. It's always going to stay in the center. And then that back portion of the shoe is reflective, so if you're out walking, it's going to catch the light of a car.